how to fix Ubisoft slow download. So if you want to fix Ubisoft Connect slow download, then what you need to do is first you need to boost your download speed. So in order to do that on your Ubisoft Connect, first you need to access your current download speed. So you need to just go with your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and you need to visit speedtest.net. Once you've searched for it, once you have the results, identify any applications consuming your internet. To do that, you can go back and right click on your taskbar and then go with Task Manager. Or you can also press Control plus Shift plus Escape and navigate to the Performance tab, which is here on the left side, and select Resource Monitor. You can click on the network to identify the culprit applications. Once you've pinpointed the bandwidth app, then you can just simply close it, allowing Ubisoft Connect to download at faster rate. Or you can also just simply go with processes, and under processes, you can go in, just delete the process that you are not using right now. Like for example, I'm not using the WPS Office right now, so I'll just simply go and end the task. And phone link, I'm not using this. I'll just simply go and end the task. And this way you can just simply go and end the task that you're not using of the applications, and it will increase the download speed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.